The Manohar Lal Khattar government in Haryana faces a major political test on Wednesday as it faces a no-confidence motion moved by the opposition Congress, claiming that the government had lost the trust and confidence of the farmers. Though the numbers are stacked in favor of the BJP-led alliance government, the farmers' unions, throwing their weight behind the Congress's motion, has raised political temperature ahead of the vote. The leader of opposition in the Haryana Assembly, Bhupender Singh Hooda, had moved the no-confidence motion, claiming that the alliance government of the BJP and Jananayak Janata Party had lost the mandate to rule post the farmers' agitation. Meanwhile, all the three parties, the BJP, JJP and Congress, have issued whip to their MLAs to remain present in the House when the motion is taken up. Names of at least half a dozen leaders including Dhan Singh Rawat, Bhagat Singh Koshari, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank and Satpal Maharaj are doing the rounds to replace Trivendra Singh Rawat, who resigned as the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand on Tuesday. Though Trivendra Singh Rawat's substitute will be decided at a state legislature party meeting at the BJP headquarters on Wednesday under the watch of party national vice president and former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Raman Singh, political circles are abuzz with speculations. Sources said that State Minister Dhan Singh Rawat has emerged as a frontrunner to be the next Chief Minister. A man known for his polite ways, 48-year-old Dhan Singh Rawat, a resident of Patni village in Pauri district, is said to be close to the outgoing Chief Minister. Singh became an MLA for the first time in 2017. Tourism Minister Satpal Maharaj is also being looked at as a prominent contender. Two-term anti-incumbency and a ferocious BJP campaign has put pressure on the Trinamool Congress to come out with a promising manifesto. Carefully choosing Mahashivratri to release the manifesto as part of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's effort to counter the BJP's Hindutva card, sources say the manifesto will be a list of 10 commitments which the TMC will make. This is similar to what was done under political strategist Prashant Kishore's direction in states like Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. One such promise will be about free delivery of ration. This has been an issue since the left regime, as ration shops and delivery have been dens of corruption. Even during the present regime, it was felt that the real beneficiaries were not getting the benefits. Sources say the commitment will talk about free ration delivery every month at doorstep so that people will no longer need to go to ration shops. This would ensure elimination of middlemen and promote delivery. As cases continue to rise unabated across Maharashtra, State Health Secretary Dr. Pradeep Vyas, along with his team of experts, have prepared a 7-point COVID-19 containment strategy. This plan includes universal or community-wide testing in hotspot via RT-PCR or rapid antigen kits, where the contacts will be extensively traced within 48 hours and will be tested. The team which prepared the strategy has reviewed the levels of COVID spread in Nagpur, Pune, Mumbai, Amravati, Yavatmal and Thane, and it has suggested that all districts should follow the same strategy. The plan also includes provisions of institutional quarantine facilities, audits of all COVID deaths and restrictions on the size of social events, reported Times of India. Buckingham Palace broke its silence on Tuesday evening over Harry and Meghan's bombshell interview with Oprah Winfrey. The UK Palace issued a statement on Tuesday saying that the family was saddened to learn of the challenges Harry and Meghan had faced in the past few years and that they would address the issue privately. In a statement on behalf of the Queen, the palace said that the allegations of racism made by the Sussexes were concerning and being taken very seriously. The whole family is saddened to learn the full extent of how challenging the last few years have been for Harry and Meghan, the statement reads.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app. Choose the language you prefer to get updates in and be up to date with the latest news.